What if I told you this little bottle sitting in your medicine cabinet can clean your home, remove stains, eliminate bad smells, and even help your garden, all for just a few pounds or dollars? Most people only use hydrogen peroxide to clean small cuts, but they're missing out on dozens of incredible uses. Today, we're counting down 20 amazing benefits of hydrogen peroxide, and trust me, the number one benefit surprises almost everyone. Let's get started. Number 20. Remove sweat stains. Have yellow stains under your white shirts? Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda and a little dish soap. Apply it to the stain, leave it for about 30 minutes, then wash normally. Those stubborn yellow marks become much easier to remove. Number 19. Freshen cutting boards. Your cutting board may look clean, but bacteria can hide in tiny knife marks. Spray hydrogen peroxide over the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. It's an easy way to help keep cutting boards fresher after preparing meat or vegetables. Number 18. Brighten white socks. Don't throw away dull white socks. Add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide to warm water and soak them for an hour before washing. Many people are amazed by how much brighter they look. Number 17. Clean mirrors without streaks. Forget expensive glass cleaners. Spray a little hydrogen peroxide onto a microfiber cloth. Wipe your mirror from top to bottom. It helps remove fingerprints and leaves a brilliant shine. Number 16. Remove refrigerator odors. If your fridge smells unpleasant, empty spoiled food first, then wipe shelves using hydrogen peroxide. It helps remove the bacteria that often cause lingering odors. Number 15. Clean children's plastic toys. Children's toys collect germs every day. Wipe hard plastic toys with hydrogen peroxide and allow them to air dry. It's a simple way to help keep frequently handled toys cleaner. Number 14. Whiten grout. Dirty tile grout can make an entire bathroom look old. Spray hydrogen peroxide directly onto grout. Leave it for 10 minutes. Scrub gently with an old toothbrush. The difference can be impressive. Number 13. Remove coffee and tea stains from mugs. Those brown rings inside your favourite mug, add a little hydrogen peroxide with baking soda. Rub gently, rinse thoroughly. Many stains disappear with very little effort. Number 12. Deodorize shoes. Smelly shoes? Lightly spray the inside with hydrogen peroxide. Allow them to dry completely before wearing. It helps reduce the bacteria responsible for unpleasant odours. Number 11. Clean kitchen sponges. Kitchen sponges are among the germiest items in many homes. Soak them for several minutes in equal parts hydrogen peroxide and warm water. Rinse well afterwards. Number 10. Make white tiles shine again. Bathroom tiles often lose their brightness because of soap residue. Spray hydrogen peroxide. Wait a few minutes. Wipe clean. Your bathroom instantly looks fresher. Number 9. Remove mold from hard surfaces. Small patches of mold on non-porous surfaces. Spray hydrogen peroxide directly. Allow it to work for about 10 to 15 minutes. Scrub and wipe clean. Always wear gloves and ensure good ventilation. Number 8. Clean toothbrushes. Your toothbrush can collect bacteria over time. Soak the bristles in hydrogen peroxide for a few minutes. Rinse thoroughly before using again. Number 7. Wash fruits and vegetables. Many people rinse produce with only water. Instead, lightly spray or briefly soak fruits and vegetables in a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution, then rinse thoroughly with clean water. This can help reduce surface bacteria. Number 6. Remove bathroom sink stains. Mineral deposits and toothpaste stains can build up quickly. Spray hydrogen peroxide. Leave for several minutes. Scrub lightly. Your sink becomes noticeably cleaner. Number 5. Brighten white curtains. White curtains can become dull over time. Add hydrogen peroxide during the wash cycle to help brighten fabrics naturally. Always check fabric care labels first. Number 4. Clean garbage bins. Garbage bins often smell terrible even after they're emptied. Spray the inside with hydrogen peroxide. Allow it to sit. Then rinse or wipe clean. It helps remove odours at the source. Number 3. Help plants fight root rot. Some gardeners use diluted hydrogen peroxide to increase oxygen around plant roots. When used correctly and sparingly, it may help improve soil aeration and discourage certain root problems. Always dilute appropriately and avoid overuse. Number 2. Restore dingy white laundry. Forget harsh bleach every time. Add 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide to your washing machine with white clothes. It can help brighten whites while also helping remove certain stains. Number 1. The most powerful benefit, a natural household disinfectant. Here's the benefit that makes hydrogen peroxide truly special. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen after use. When used correctly on suitable hard, non-porous surfaces, it helps reduce many common germs around your home without leaving harsh chemical residues. Which of these 20 hydrogen peroxide uses surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because every week we share simple home hacks that save you time, money, and effort. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.